Presenting the 2008 Suzuki SX4.
You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle with an efficient 4-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, side airbag, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power windows, ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags.
Ride in style with the included premium wheels. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase.
Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.